This technique is called the rooted tree. Sometimes when we're anxious, because of the lack of blood flow going to our brains, then that can leave us feeling a little bit lightheaded and a little bit floaty. And this technique is all about just trying to ground ourselves again in the room we're in, and remind ourselves that we are standing on solid ground and that everything is actually okay. And so what we do is we just start off by kind of intentionally kind of being aware of our feet and the touch points that our feet have with the ground beneath them, perhaps just pushing our toes into the ground, and also our heels, just pushing down a little bit harder than we might ordinarily stand, and just being really aware of those touch points on the ground. And with our kind of legs straight and tall, just push down a little bit from the heel and the toe as well. Slowly starting to close our eyes, and as we notice and we feel those touch points of our feet to the ground, just in our mind's eye starting to imagine that there are thick roots growing down from underneath our feet into the ground beneath us. Just taking a moment to know that the ground beneath us is solid, to know that the ground beneath us has roots, that we have roots. Maybe just being aware of our breathing as we do that. And then slowly opening our eyes and wiggling our feet and our toes and the connection points again on the floor, just to really feel that for the floor, just to feel the connection points on the floor. And then beginning to be ready again to re-enter into our day. The rooted tree.